All right, a windy day out there today. I wonder how the trash can's going to do.
was.
In
I
my
don't know.
neighborhood, going to be all over the place.
I'm
Yeah.
sure those red flag warnings remain
Yeah.
in effect until tomorrow, right, Ev?
Absolutely. We are looking at red flag conditions through tomorrow evening. Some serious wind for some of us. Others, wind was at a standstill, so kind of hard to know what was going on around you. But I will tell you, a lot of us got 40, 50, even up to 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. We're continuing to track conditions in Cali Mesa. This evening, you'll see 63 degrees, so temperatures getting cooler. Wind still coming from the east, so we still are looking at that offshore dry wind with gusts up to 16 miles per hour, and relative humidity still dangerously low at 5%. So you'll see that right there. So very low humidity and still looking at wind gusts. Wind gusts are coming down just a little bit, and temperatures coming down. So that's good news as far as the firefight is concerned. Take a look at this map. This is incredible because just a couple days ago we were showing you this, and this time of night we barely saw any color show up on the map. We saw maybe a little dot of yellow through parts of the Coachella Valley. Tonight, a different story. This is your fire weather potential map. Doesn't mean that a fire is going to break out, but it just means that conditions are ripe. What does that mean? Dry. It's going to be windy and, of course, warmer temperatures. This event, not a very hot event. We're looking at some cold air advection. That's what we call it, when it taps into cold air and the wind's bringing cooler air in. But even then, take a look right here through the high desert, the LA County mountains, parts of the San Bernardino County right there through the mountains, closer to the high desert, but really laying off a little bit over the high desert. As we take a look at the Coachella Valley, and again, the majority of the Inland Empire, of course, we are tracking conditions in Cali Mesa. We are looking at very dry conditions again. We're down to 5% as far as humidity goes. In the Orange County mountains and foothills right there, you're seeing that as well. And over Ventura County, looking at an overwhelming amount of yellow, orange, and red. So that's indicative, again, of dry conditions and of windy conditions. As we get a look at the warnings across the Southland, red flag warnings continuing pretty much for everybody through tomorrow evening. High wind warnings through the mountains, and believe it or not, that's a freeze warning. So it's kind of that fire and ice forecast when we're looking at very cold conditions overnight through the high desert. Air quality alerts up right now through parts of Ventura County there, and high wind watches in effect with gusts up to 70 miles per hour in our local mountains, and wind advisories up as well. You will see very windy conditions continuing through first thing tomorrow morning. We will continue to track the wind, and of course we're tracking your extended forecast with temperatures staying warm through the weekend, but Sunday getting a little bit of a break and cooler as we see increasing clouds by next week. Back to you.